Others appeared in court this morning, quick to apologize for her actions from last October. The judge, quick to render his sentence.
I'm really, truly, deeply sorry for my actions that day. They were selfish, destructive. I didn't take into consideration anybody else's safety and the feelings of my family, and I'm truly sorry.
That's Kim Mathers in court, referring to when she crashed into a utility pole last year.
You think there might be injuries?
Yes, we need an ambulance here right away.
Okay.
This is video from a neighbor of her overturned Escalade. She was drunk at the time and was attempting to kill herself last October. That's according to police reports. And that is Mathers being rolled away on a stretcher. Once inside an ambulance, she tells EMS just how much she had to drink.
How much do you have to drink today, Kim?
Only took that.
Today in court, Mathers let her attorney do most of the talking.
Her life has been a fishbowl. It's been magnified by anything she does because of who she was married to.
The judge noting Mathers took immediate actions to get help following the crash.
We have someone that has engaged in treatment, which I appreciate as well. Many people wait. They wait till after the court disposes of the matter or based upon the court's order.
Then gave her 12 months probation. She also can't drink alcohol and will be tested for drugs and alcohol.
I'm seeking the proper medical attention that I need and following through. So.
Mathers says failing to think of others was by far her biggest mistake.
Or how I made my family feel. And again, I'm truly sorry for putting anyone else at risk and hurting my family.
As you heard me mention, Kim Mathers will go through 12 months of probation, and beyond that, the court will then review her case, and she should be cleared. We're in Shelby Township. I'm Nima Shafee, 7 Action News.